How to choose an AI image generator. There are many AI image generators today. So how do you choose the right one? There are 3 things to consider. First, image quality. Good AI models generate detailed images with realistic lighting, textures, and composition. Second, ease of use. For beginners, it's important that the interface is simple and intuitive. Let's look at Magnific as an example. We open the AI image generator. Everything is straightforward: a prompt field, style settings, and the generate button. Third, editing tools. The best platforms allow you not only to generate images, but also refine them. For example, regenerating variations, adjusting prompts, or modifying the composition. So when choosing an AI generator, look for a tool that combines quality, simplicity, and flexibility. That's what makes the workflow fast and efficient. Now you know what to look for when choosing an AI image generator. Next, we'll compare several popular tools: Nano Banana, Midjourney, and Magnific AI. Tell us in the comments how you use AI image generators in your work. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials.